I hope all is well. Just bought this product from you and it arrived yesterday evening. I read that pine pollen tincture should be held under the tongue for 30 to 60 seconds. On the bottle it said take 2 milliliters, equal to about 20 drops. First off, I was wondering if this is the right amount. Secondly, as soon as I put the tincture under my tongue, it started to burn. So unfortunately, I had to spit it out. Should I be diluting it before doing it again?
Right. So tinctures, because of their alcohol concentration, if you hold it under your tongue, you got a couple of big veins. If you look in front of the mirror, the veins allow for the absorption. So in a way, the active ingredients is suspended in the alcohol and absorbs better. However, having said that, pine pollen tincture has a high concentration of alcohol. It's roughly around 38 to 40% by volume in alcohol. That high concentration of alcohol allows us to actually be able to get these phytonutrients extracted from the pollen. So some people will get that burning effect and they can't really hold it under their tongue for that 20 to 30 seconds. So for those individuals, we recommend one of two things. A, you can dilute it with a little bit of water to cut down on that and then hold it under your tongue. If you're still having a sensitivity and you can't do that, just basically take it and swallow it on an empty stomach. You are going to get mucus absorption all the way down to your stomach. The problem with the absorption comes if things are absorbed past your stomach, in your small intestine, large intestine, they go through the liver for that first pass effect. So you get less of the active ingredients directly in the blood. So if you're taking it on an empty stomach, you haven't had anything for an hour and a half, you will still get the impact by taking the pollen, especially if holding it under the tongue doesn't work for you.
Okay, great.